If you have a spaghetti leftover and you don't have a microwave, I'm going to teach you how. But it's more delicious because we are using butter and potato. So this is the pots. I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so we have pots here. Of course, we have a butter. So butter or olive oil can do. Okay. If you don't have a microwave, so this is what you are going to do. You have to melt this one first. And we have a potato here. So we do your potato like this. Oh, it's a lot. Okay. Okay, so this is your potato. You have to put under the... Okay, I need to add more of olive oil. And then, you have to add your leftover spaghetti. So you have to put your leftover spaghetti on top of the potato. You don't need water just like that. And then we cover. And then we check it later. We check it later. What's the result? Now it's time for lunch. I'm going to show you guys what I did to my spaghetti. Okay, this is the spaghetti. So I'm going to transfer in a bowl. So it's hot now. It's warm now. It's totally hot. But I add, what do you call this one? Mozzarella cheese. So it means it works. My my tips for you guys. Okay, now so this is the moment of truth. Okay. Oh my God. So it means you can eat the potato that you put it inside. Wow. This is really, really good. This is my leftover spaghetti. This is my Italian style spaghetti meatballs. And now, so I make warm in a pot with Potatoes. Look at that, guys, the potato. So you can eat the potato also. So let's eat lunch. So it works. It works. Look at that. Look at that. Bobby is eating while I'm going to eat the spaghetti. Okay, let's eat, guys.